doctors, this is the detailed video of NMR NMC registration. So first you have to log in with the website nmrnmcabdm.gov.in. Then you will be having this login and registration. You have to register first. Then click doctor, tap register and enter your selected registered council, which state council you are in, and then enter your registration number. Then click submit. After registration, you have to log in with your own user ID and password. For this, you have to create your own user ID and password. After that, you will be showing a CAPTCHA 8 minus 1, 6 minus 5. You have to enter the answer. Do not copy the CAPTCHA as it is. After that, log in with the user ID and password. Then you will be directed to this page. Enter your details, full name, father's name, mother's name, and your address. Then click save and next. You will be directed to another page. You have to enter your registration council name, number, date. Here you have to upload two certificates. One is the registration certificate of your state and the other one is the MBBS qualification degree. After that, you click save and next. Then your details will be displayed like this. Just verify them. After that, you have to click eSign profile. Then your profile will be verified. My profile is still pending, so it will take few days. Don't be panic. That's it, guys. This is the registration process. If you have any doubts, please put down in the comment section. Thank you.